Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you coming across a message that says cannot delete the folder or folder not found, cannot find this item, this file or folder is no longer. Let's fix that guys. Today we are going to see how to delete that folder. Go to file folder, whatever folder you want to delete it, go on it. I want to delete this new folder for example. You want to go inside of it and you want to copy this local disk C new folder. You want to copy it and now search menu type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now go to my video description guys, that will be a command used. I need to copy that and paste in right into it. After pasting this, go and copy that file folder you have located, copy it, copy and right click, eject, paste it together. Don't press enter before pasting this. After pasting this, press enter guys. New folder, are you sure? You need to press Y in keyboard and press enter. Now the folder will definitely delete guys. The folder is gone. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.